Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to get a super high score in Block Blast. So let's get started with the video. So first, it is important for you to understand how scoring works in Block Blast. So basically, understanding the game mechanism is crucial to optimizing your score. So make sure you know how points are rewarded. For each line that you complete over here, you are rewarded with the points. Now to understand how we can get this score high, let's understand what are the tips for this. So the first strategy to get the high score is make your plan in advance. So one of the most effective strategy is to make your plan in advance. As a puzzle game, you have to plan and manage your game process wisely. Most version of Block Blast, it will show you the next blocks that will appear at the down. As you can see, they have predicted the next 3 blocks that you are going to get at the lower side. So what happens, you can use this foreknowledge to lay out the game ahead of the time, thinking about the best place to place each square. You need to complete the lines over here and you can consider how future blocks will fit into your layout. So the second strategy is take the advantage of combo. So basically you can take the advantage of the opportunity to create combos by clearing multiple sets of block in quick succession. And this will significantly increase your score as well. As you can see, I have completed a line over here which has increased my score because I can predict the blocks and I can then according to them place the blocks over there. The next one is prioritize special block. Wise and strategic players have the knowledge of leveraging special tools and blocks. So basically Block Blast game often includes special blocks such as bombs or props, and this can be used strategically to clear large portion of the board or break through difficult areas. So you just need to prioritize that the activation of these special blocks whenever possible. The next strategy, it is basically manage the grid space. So if you want to make a game time longer, what you need to do, you have to keep the center of the grid open, allows more flexibility in placing the block. So if you feel the center too early, you may find yourself without room for a larger block. So always just try to fit in the blocks in the corner first and then in the between, and things won't get much worse if you feel the corners too early. Now next thing is save special blocks for difficult situation. Don't be too quick to use your special blocks. Save them for the difficult situation where they can make a significant impact. For example, this one we can call as special block, I would say, because it can fit anywhere if needed. The typical blocks would be this kind of blocks. You should know how to feed them. So if you are running out of moves or struggling to clear a specific area, activating a bomb or power up can be the game changer. So in conclusion, we can just say that Block Blast is a game appropriate for relaxing your time. Hope you can have the fun with this guidance. To enjoy your best performance, just follow the strategies and tips. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.